Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain what language does Italy speak answered. Tap the timeline to jump to sections. Italy uses Italian as its official language, with regional dialects shaping local speech. Many Italians speak a regional variety at home, while using standard Italian for education and media. Minority languages like Sardinian and German also have recognition in specific regions, showing a rich linguistic landscape across the country. Most regions retain local speech forms that differ noticeably from standard Italian. Sardinian and Friulian are separate Romance languages with unique grammar and vocabulary. In northern border areas, German and French enjoy official protection and are used in schools and public life. These regional languages coexist with national Italian, creating bilingual environments and preserving cultural identity in towns and rural communities across Italy. If you're enjoying this short guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make transporting bruschetta or pasta simple and mess-free. They match the Italian love of food and convenience, and they're a handy travel tip for picnics or work lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals, then like, subscribe, and now let's get back to the video. What many call dialects are rich linguistic systems with their own rules and vocabularies. Neapolitan and Sicilian can sound very different from standard Italian, and sometimes are not mutually intelligible. Younger generations increasingly favor standard Italian due to schools, television, and mobility. Yet dialects remain important markers of local identity and are still heard in family settings and cultural events across regions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.